Well, good morning, everybody. AJ Shaver here, and we've got RJ with the logs, bringing in some more processor food for us. The new Timberwolf stuff should be here at the end of the week, so we'll definitely get some video of that. We've got to go up to Marathon, New York, to pick it up. It's going to be an HD XL is what's coming in, so I'm going to show RJ where to drop the logs here, so I can make a quick pivot with the E60 and get up on the live deck of the Brute Force for now. But is some of the pieces that we did last time, off the last load, I guess I should say. I need to finish my cup of coffee because I'm not getting the words right this morning. This is what we just got in. RJ's backing out. I'll go ahead and get a count on this pile just because I'm curious. And really nice looking stuff. He said the job that they're on, they're keeping everything 14 inches and bigger. So this is just all 6-way splitter stuff. And we'll just kind of, for an example here, it's about what we got. I think that's the biggest one, which we're going to take off the pile to do some demo videos because I have a new LS. That's the old. We've also got a SplitForce SF9TR with the side conveyor that I want to be able to do a little comparison between the two. Dollar-wise, they're a little different. Splitter-wise, they're very similar. So, but yeah, that's what we have going on this morning. At least you got to see the sunrise come up here in northeastern PA behind a log truck. That was kind of pretty. So if we can ever get you a sales quote, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Thanks for watching.